going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy DS Dan, back again with another review for you guys. We got the Air Jordan 12 CP3 class of 2003, paying tribute to your boy Chris Paul back in his high school times and stuff like that. The color, of course, resembles his school colors and stuff like that when he was in high school. But yeah, we're going to get straight into this review. Also, before we get into this whole video, hit that thumbs up right now. Hit that subscribe button. And also, click that notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. Air Jordan 12 CP3. Show you guys real quick. Does come in your OG 12 box. And inside just comes your regular paper, nothing special. Size tag reads Air Jordan 12 Retro. The colorway is olive canvas metallic gold. Retail was $190. Of course, I got them on my discount. Now, if you're a fan of olive, I want to be honest, the quality on the shoe is okay. It's not the best, you know what I'm saying? You got some nylon material right here that I think they could have put it in leather. This would have looked it better in my opinion. Other than that, as you can see, you got your whole olive color throughout the whole shoe. Start off with the front of the toe. We got your nice nubuck in front of the toe. Going up, you got your green laces. On the tongue, you got your 2 and your 3 under here, as you guys can see stitched in. On the tongue, you got like the gold Jumpman. Eyelids, take a look at those eyelids. You got your gold eyelids with the Jumpman on it. I love that little, that's a nice touch right there. You got the white on the midsole with the green above it. And you got your nice nubuck upper with your rays on the side over here. The whole upper is just so soft, man. Real nice and soft. And of course, like I was talking about, this nylon material right here, which is cheap in my opinion. With your Jumpman right there in green. Let's take a look at the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral. You got your nice olive upper, eyelids in gold. Back of the shoe, you got your 23 back there in green. Of course, you got your pull tab right there, and of course it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Inside, take a look. These are both the inner soles. This one says CP and this one has class of 2003. I think that's pretty dope, man. Bottom of the shoe, white. I mean, you got your white bottom, of course, with your green hits, green Jumpman. That's basically it. As for sizing, if you guys looking to pick these up, they might still be online. If you guys looking to pick these up, I suggest you guys go true to size. Definitely, because I'm a size 9. I stay size 9 because the way these crease, you just want to have them nice and snug. You know what I'm saying? There we have it, guys. The Air Jordan 12 CP3 class of 2003 is on deck. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Hit that thumbs up for your boy. Thank you guys for watching. Also subscribe to the channel if you're new. I really would appreciate it. And thank all my subscribers from day one. I appreciate you guys. And stay tuned. Got more videos to come. Hope you guys enjoy the on feet. It's your boy DS Dan. And I'm gone.
I only put off F1.
Yeah. Sometimes it be the people closest to you. Your right hand man, your best friend.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
Be the same ones plotting on you, trying to take your place. Lord, all came from the same place, so how you gon' hate on me? Hate on me. You was doing your thing back then, never asked you to wait on me. Nah, nah, nah. Now you see me shining, and you wanna throw some shade on me. Why? Don't choose my homie, but I guess that's shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. Shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. You changed on me. Changed on me. You changed on me. Why? If it came down to it, would've let you throw that weight on me. That weight on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. I don't deserve it. If you wasn't my brother, then it wouldn't hurt me. But I got a purpose. You just starting on bitches cause you really thirsty. And I'm really working. I'ma go get the crown cause I'm really worthy. That you in my circle. Now you plotting no robbing, so we gotta murk you, boy. I ain't never wanna hurt you, boy. Force my hand and don't have to. Street smart, couldn't learn in the classroom. You been trapping, but I flew right past you. If it's really all a part of the plan, then sorry mama, you was right. Cause you told me not to hang out with them killers, I almost died the same night. Lost some niggas, I survived, so wishing they life would revive. Reminiscing about the times, we ain't had much with it all combined. I got a lot of shit on my mind, I just don't know how to let it out. I was sick first, but I'm better now. You both the coach, how to sell me out. All came from the same place, so how you gon' hate on me? Hate on me. Doing your thing back then, never asked you to wait on me. Nah. You see me shining, and you wanna throw some shade on me. Why? Don't choose my homie, but I guess that's shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me.